Russia-Ukraine war, is it over? Well, the current scenario of the world is telling that the war is yet to continue. Hello and welcome to the in-news series of Trishti. I am Ritu and today's session is about the fallout between Trump and Zelensky. So who is Trump? So Donald Trump is President of USA and Vladimir Zelensky is President of Ukraine. And there was a meeting and the meeting was not usual between these two leaders. So we are going to discuss onto that. So moving towards the points of discussion part. So first of all, we are going to discuss the news, then we are going to discuss about the Ukraine situation, then we are going to discuss about the Europe stance, then Russia. Also, we'll briefly talk about the China, then India, and then we are going to discuss practice question for prelims. Before that, you have to like, share and subscribe to this TIE's channel. Moving towards the news part. So the news is that there was a meeting on Friday between these two leaders and the meeting was not what you can say welcoming by between these two leaders, where the American side alleged to the Zelensky that Zelensky lacked the gratitude towards the America. So there was expected that and there was supposed to have a mineral deal between Ukraine and America, but deal could not happen and there was a fallout between these two countries. So this news which we are going to cover up in today's session, and why this news is important to us, because this particular meeting was held between circumstances where Russia Ukraine is still in a conflict kind of situation. Also other countries are part of this conflict directly or indirectly. So you can see the Europe is a part of this conflict, the Western countries are part of this conflict, and many other countries who are trading with Russia and Ukraine are also indirectly impacted with this conflict. So this conflict, this meeting is very much crucial for entire world order, because this will decide the fate of the whole world, that whether geopolitical tension will come and it will go into which direction. So this is the news which we are going to discuss. Discussion part. So here we'll discuss about the Ukraine stance into this particular fallout. So what we have seen that yesterday they on Friday they were supposed to have a mineral deal in which America is going to have a stake in reserves in Ukraine. So this was supposed to happen, but this could not happen because of the fallout between these two leaders. But here what it happens that the Ukraine situation is what you can say a kind of very much problematic here, because Ukraine is dependent on America for military aid. And here what we have seen that if America will not support to the Ukraine, then it will be very difficult for Ukraine to survive into the conflict between Russia and Ukraine. So this is a very sorry state for the Ukraine that the mineral deal could not happen. Also, there is uncertainty over that whether America is going to continue over military aid to Ukraine or not, or what will be the stance of America towards Ukraine. So this is the Ukraine situation. So here we'll talk about the Europe a close second. So Europe situation is also a little bit problematic here, because Europe is supporting Ukraine into this matter. Most of the European countries are supporting Ukraine into this matter, and if there was a fallout between Ukraine and America, then what Europe has to support to the Ukraine to survive into this conflict, and it is very uncertain, and we are also very unsure about this, that whether Europe will support to the Ukraine like the America did. So this is also one of the situation, and if there will be a impact on Ukraine, then directly or indirectly other European nations will also impacted with this thing. So this is also what you can say sorry state for Europe also. Now we are going to discuss about the Russia. So here Russia appears to be the biggest winner in this situation, because here what we can see that if there was a fallout between America and Ukraine, then there are chances that America will discontinue support from the Ukraine, and that will be a win situation for Russia, because weak Ukraine and destabilize West is a winning situation for the Russia, because in this all circumstances Russia will emerge as a superpower. So this is a win-win situation for the Russia. Now we'll briefly talk about the China. So what happened that there should be, and there was supposed to have a mineral deal, and if there was not a mineral deal, then people will look for the China and other countries. So in this situation also, if America will have a problem in any kind of mineral deal, and if America will weaken, then people will more dependent on the China, and more countries will look for the China. And the history also told that if there was a lack of support from the America, the countries have moved towards to the China. So this can be a very good state for China, and you can say that maybe it is a positive situation for China for now. Now we are going to discuss about the India. So what would be the India stance into this whole matter? So here India is maintaining caution. Recently we had a meeting with America, and that meeting was respectful, and here what we can say that India always try to maintain diplomatic relationship between other countries, with Russia also, with what you can say other European nations also, with Ukraine also, with America also. So here India is not taking stand that whether America is right or Ukraine is right or Russia is right or China is right. So here India is maintaining caution, and India is not expressing anything about that what had happened is pleasant in nature or unpleasant in nature, and who is right here, whether mineral deal was fair or not. So India will move towards a very, what you can say, patiently and very cautious move India has to take if India has to maintain diplomatic ties, because India has a trade deal with Russia also, trade deal with Ukraine also, and trade deal with America also. So here if we want to maintain our strategic relationship between these countries, so we have to become very cautious in our approach. So this is the India situation. Now we are going to discuss the practice question for prelims. So before discussing the practice question for prelims, here this is a very overview situation that what is the conclusion of this whole discussion, that here Europe had also commented that the world needs a new leader, and if there will be a fallout situation between these two leaders, and it is not just related to Ukraine or America or Russia and Ukraine, these kind of events are very much, what you can say, unwelcoming and very much unfortunate for the entire world, because not only two countries will get impacted, entire world will get impacted, because we are living in a global world and everything is what you can say interconnected with each other, and for any small things we are dependent on another country, for another small things other countries are dependent on us. So if we will not maintain peace, if there will be not harmony in the world order, there will be more killing of the innocent people, there will be a loss of economy, there will be a loss of climate change deals. So what here will say, who is losing here and who is winning here? The unfortunate circumstances like this shows us that no one is winning and no one is losing. The world is losing because here there will be uncertainty around the world, there will be a lack of peace around the world, there will be more killing of the innocent people, there will be more what you can say there will be no care on the human rights. So human rights are compromised, women dignities are compromised, there will be no care on the poverty and hunger. So this is what you can say entire losing situation for the world. Now we are going to discuss the practice question for prelims. Ukraine is bordered by which of the following countries? Poland, Russia, Turkey, Belarus. Select the correct answer using the codes below. 1, 2 and 4 only, 2 and 3 only, 1 and 3 only, 1, 2, 3 and 4. So you have to answer this into the comment section. As you already know that whatever the country is in news, there can be a question on locations, and we had discussed a lot of location of Ukraine in our daily program. So do check the location of Ukraine, do check the location of America, so do check the location of Russia and Middle Eastern countries, because these countries are in the news. So there can be a questions onto the locations, the bordering countries, the rivers, the seas. So you have to be very careful because prelims is coming. So do revise that. I hope you like this session. If you have any queries related to this session, kindly ask into the comment section. Thank you. Have a nice day.
For more informative content, like, share and subscribe, and do not forget to press the bell icon to get the notifications.